In this video, I'll show you how to get iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The first step is to open the Safari browser and visit developer.apple.com. Now at the top left, tap on the menu, click on account, log in with your Apple ID here. Now once you are logged in, open settings on your iPhone, go to General, Software Update, click on Beta Updates. Now here you will see iOS 18 Developer Beta. Now select iOS 18 Developer Beta, go back, here you will see an update for iOS 18. Click on Update Now, enter your password, and this will update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.